bottles. Now I am going to tell what are the things we need for the whirlpool. 2 PET bottles, a scissor, tape and a glue. Stick both the cap like this and make a hole in the center. Fill the bottle in 3/4 of water. Close it with the lid and fix it with the lid. And take another bottle and close it like this. Now tilt the bottle and shake it in rotational mode. Now you can see the beautiful Whirlpool Vortex. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and click bell symbol.